Hi, I'm Donald Trump. You may remember me from being the greatest president God has ever created. And from Trump steaks. Yes, that was a thing. But I'm also known as being the greatest in telling people they're fired. Like this time.
You know what, Derek? You're fired.
And this classic.
Dennis, you're fired.
Am I here to tell you that anyone can do it? Am I going to teach you how? No. Nobody can fire people like I can. Nobody. Because I'm smart, I'm tough, and I'm terrific. But the Donald is a good guy, and I decided to share the gift of firing with America. Now, you can get the Donald Trump You're Fired button. Just press it and hear this winning sound in my real voice.
You're fired.
Coworker said something stupid? Push the button.
fired.
Your husband burned the omelet? Push the button.
fired.
The dog stole your socks? Push the button.
fired.
Don't let no one push your buttons. Get the Donald Trump You're Fired button today. And yes, batteries are included. I'm amazing.